Hi, my name's Patrick Holton. I'm the manager of property maintenance compliance here at the Neighborhood Resource Center. Just wanted to mention that spring is here. Just getting through the rainy season, days are getting warmer, and with that comes tall weeds and grass. Now is the time of the year where my inspectors go out and look for property owners who don't maintain their yards the way that most of you do. Once grass gets over 8 inches, that's when inspectors go out and post stickers on houses. What those stickers mean is that the property owner has 2 weeks to get the grass cut, or we turn it over to our city's abatement team. The city abatement team is required to come out and cut that grass, then those bills get sent to the owners. If the owners don't pay those bills, then those are what end up as special assessments on people's taxes. Also, with the days getting warmer, people want to put pools in their backyards. Any above-ground swimming pool that contains over 5,000 gallons of water does require a permit through our building inspection department. Along with that, people also need to be aware that any pool that can hold up to 24 inches of water is required to have a 6-foot fence with a self-closing, self-latching gate. One thing the inspectors are always out looking for is vehicles. Any vehicle parked on a property has to be properly registered. It has to be parked on an improved surface, usually concrete or asphalt, and it also has to be operable. Unfortunately, parts of the city are affected by essentially a property crime of graffiti and defacement of property. For that, you may receive a letter saying that you have something painted on your garage, the side of your house, or some other place on your property. Please make sure that if that ever happens, you get in contact with the property maintenance department. We have authorization forms that people can fill out, and once they're on file, anytime you're affected by graffiti on your property, we can come out and paint over that for you. We need your help as citizens of Kansas City, Kansas to make us aware of the issues in your neighborhood. If you have an issue in your neighborhood, please contact the 311 information line. Those complaints are immediately forwarded to our office for our inspectors to get out and have a look at. Any violations that we address at people's properties can be followed up by administrative citations. These fines start out at $100 and can escalate quickly up to $1,500. Those fines, if they go unpaid, are placed as special assessments against the property owner's taxes. I think most of the code violations that we see in this city, the owners may not even be aware that they are code violations. If you were to ever receive a letter from our office, we always include the inspector's name, their telephone number, and their email address. Please contact them as soon as you receive the letter. They are happy to work with you. The best way you can contact them would be via email. That way you have a written record of the contact you've made with the unified government. Believe me, our inspectors do not want to go out and issue fines to the citizens of Kansas City, Kansas. Our goal is to create neighborhoods that people are safe and happy to live in.